How to private Threads account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, you want to navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are here, you want to click on the globe icon at the top left corner of your screen, and there you will see that the first option it says private profile. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and once you do that, you will get this confirmation box tells you that what will happen when you private your account. Click on OK to confirm, and once you do that, you will see that the toggle has been turned on, meaning that your profile is now has been changed from public to private. You can also see that the globe icon at the top left that we clicked on previously has turned into a lock symbol. So it's that easy and simple. That's how you can turn your Threads account from public to private. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.